I wanted to give you a very quick update on what's going on. We do have a pretty significant change to our forecast this weekend. I know last time we talked, we took a look at that 8 to 14 day outlook showing all of that warm weather building in. Still a possibility as we head into the Memorial Day weekend, but unfortunately we have this frontal boundary that's going to be lifting through as a warm front on Thursday. Now that is going to heat us up on Friday afternoon. 80s forecasted for DC into Baltimore. Pittsburgh also warming up into the upper 70s. This same frontal boundary is going to slip back through to the south, and that's going to increase shower chances and thunderstorms Friday night, and then unfortunately cool us off for the upcoming weekend. So northern Maryland into Pittsburgh forecasted to stay into the lower 70s with some cloud cover and shower chances, whereas Baltimore into DC still likely to get into the 80s for the weekend, but also looking quite cloudy and a little bit on the stormy side. So this is a very tricky forecast. I've seen this quite a few times forecasting for the DC region. Many folks might be caught off guard thinking it's going to be so warm when this front kind of just moved on through. So anyone north of that front will stay on the cooler side, but anyone south of that front still getting into the 80s this weekend. Also, you might have heard some talk about a tropical depression or storm this weekend. Still a little bit on the early side. The Atlantic hurricane season doesn't start till June 1st. Maybe we could talk about that in my next video. But this storm is forecasted to develop off of the eastern coast of Florida, causing for some rough surf, maybe rip current threats up and down the eastern coastline this weekend. Not expected to impact the U.S., but going to be passing to the north of Bermuda. So we'll talk more about that possibly coming up next time. Thanks so much for joining me, and enjoy your upcoming week.